Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'll be installing the Munster finger throttle and the throttle guard to go on my '07 MXZ 600. So all you'll need is maybe a few Allen keys. I got a flathead just for popping some. There's a plug you need to pull off, and there's not much to it. So let's hop right into it. Alright, so what we're gonna do first is pop off the center cover, so it should come off with a slight pull, just like that is off. We will be replacing, which plug is it? Pull 2 wires out of this and replace them with the ones on the finger throttle here. But that's fairly easy to do, and it doesn't take much skill. So then what you'll get is a 5/16 Allen key. There's a set screw at the back side of your thumb throttle. Take this off, and then what some people do is they loosen off the emergency stop, and slide it down. But I might just keep it clean with the zip ties and leave those on and leave this where it is, and at least try like that. If I need to move it, I'll move it, but I'll let you guys know. So what I'll do now is pull the throttle off, and then I guess I'll have to cut these anyways to get back to that plug, but I'll do that. If I run into anything, I'll show you guys, and it should be quick and easy. So to remove the actual thumb throttle, there is a angle, I'm not sure if I can get it here, right in here. It's like a little lip you need to pull off, so I went and grabbed a larger screwdriver, popped into here. So we can do it on this side. It's off the other side, so it'll be harder, but you push it in here, and then what I did is I just rotated it 90 degrees to pop it off the lip, and now it should be free. So can I do this one hand? No, I can't. I'll be right back. So just a little update. What I did was I cut off the 2 zip ties that held this on, and I used a T20 Torx bit to loosen off the emergency stop. I've slid this down. Now what I can do is slide that out, and now I'll be able to pull off the thumb start. What I will need to do now is go and unplug this clip for the thumb warmer and the emergency stop, and I will need to unpin the thumb warmer. So let me go and do that real quick. Okay, so this is actually, I'm surprised how easy this is to pull off. There's just simply a button right here. Push the button in, and then it unclips it, which is, especially for the cold, way better than automotive style ones. So now, what do I have here? I got 3 pins, and I'll have to figure out which ones for the thumb throttle. I'm probably taking both of these off and replacing them, or all 3 off and replace them with 2, but I'll be back and figure out how to do this. What do you have here? 1, 2, and 3. Alright, so I'm assuming 3 is ground. Let me just go and see the actual wiring diagram for this before I go ahead and do it. Alright, so a bit of an update now. I finally have the thumb throttle off. I unwired it. This was a complete pain in the ass. They don't provide any, well, their tips they have is pretty bad. I couldn't find any videos on it. I used to make engine wiring harnesses at work, and work with tons of these connectors. I don't know if this is because mine was super old, or it's like -20 outside. But yeah, the only way I could get these off was by just pulling them with all the force I had. If you want to reuse them, I'd suggest not doing that. But I fought for a good 30-45 minutes with the tool they provided with my little picks and stuff. I couldn't get it undone. But to remove the throttle, the actual cable is really easy. I just used a pair of small vice grips and pulled the wire, held the wire, popped it out of the little clip right here, and then pulled it out, and then there's a little C-clip that sits right in here. That came out pretty easy with just pliers. You are given another one with the kit, so I didn't care too much with pulling this off. I just tore it off. But yeah, now I'll get to installing the thumb throttle. Or the finger throttle, I guess. My bad. Alright, so just a quick update. I have installed the thumb throttle. I also got the finger guard. It was fairly easy to get on, bolts right up. I had to not remove. I had to adjust where the throttle cable came out of the riser there. Instead, I put it out of the side instead of it coming straight up. But now I have actual room for it. It fits. I can get it nice to the end. Feels smooth. Now all I have left to do is do the wiring. And once the wiring is done, I'm good to go. Put everything back together. So hopefully that was all in frame. And yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, so I have everything back together now. I have the finger throttle installed with the finger guard. It's on the sturdy. The finger guard just has two Allen head bolts that go right into the finger throttle and mount in there. That's how this connects. I repinned the connector. I used pins 2 and 3. It may be 1 and 3, I'm not sure. I have the wiring diagram, but it doesn't actually say which pins are which. I just know 3 is the ground. But yeah, everything's back together. I've zip tied it back up, make it look nice. But I throw on the cover. And once the cover's on, if I can get it on. There we are, it's all back on. And yeah, we're all done. Anyways, I hope this video was good enough. I know it's kind of going back and forth, but yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching.